Here we are, got rerouted off the main highway through this, what's the name of this town? Abanatua? Cabanatua? Little farming community. Good morning! Make sure I don't drop my phone. Rice, folks. Rice fields. Miles and miles and miles of rice fields. Hold on, I seen a little sign back there that said Baler, Aurora. So we headed. Hey guys, how you doing? That was a major intersection, folks. Major intersection. And here we go. Now we're on another main road.
Now we're back on a highway.
Now we're back on a different highway. They've rerouted us to a different highway.